In this video I'm going to show you the Aiper Seagull 3000, and this is a cordless type robotic pool cleaner. And this cleaner is a lot like the Aiper cleaner that I reviewed about a year ago. That one had a cord, and this one again is a cordless type. So there's no battery in the cleaner. The battery is actually inside here, and this floats in your pool. This will give the cleaner about 2 hours of cleaning time. And you can see that the cord is tethered from the robotic pool cleaner to this device here that floats on the surface. And the maximum depth you can use this cleaner is 8 feet. The battery cord is 8.2 feet in length, and in the box is the operation manual. And also included is a charger for the floating battery. The cleaner features a top-loading debris chamber. You simply unlock it by pushing these tabs in. Then the top flips open. So inside the cleaner are these two large debris canisters. This cleaner will pick up a large leaf debris as well as dirt without any issues. And on the front and back of the cleaner are these dual dry scrubbing brushes. So this will loosen up dirt and debris as the cleaner is moving on the floor, as well as the wall of the pool. And on the bottom of the cleaner are two pretty good sized debris openings. Again, the floating battery will give the cleaner 2 hours of cleaning time. And this cleaner is designed to clean the floors and the walls up to the water line in your pool. Let me charge the battery, and then I'll show you it operating in the pool. And there's a light on the battery charger that will indicate when it's fully charged. Right now you can see that it's red. So you can see the light has turned green here. It takes about 4 or 5 hours for it to fully charge. You want to carefully set the cleaner in the pool. You also want to give the battery cord some slack here. Go ahead and turn the cleaner on. And then you can select between floors, walls, or all, which is the floors and wall mode. And the cleaner has a slight delay, but it'll start cleaning the pool within 10 seconds. And the Aiper app is really good. It actually connects right away through the Bluetooth to the cleaner. And here you have more cleaning options. You can also go to manual mode, which is actually really good. You'll see it in a minute here as I'm operating the cleaner in manual mode. And then you have the battery life, which is also helpful to have so that you know how much longer the cleaner can clean in the pool. And the manual mode is actually really good. You can take remote control of the cleaner and you can turn it so you can spot clean your pool. If you need an area that maybe it had missed, you can go back over it and control the cleaner, or you can just show it off to your friends. It's really a cool mode and a cool feature to have in the app. I think the biggest question is how effective is the Aiper Seagull 3000? And I would say from comparing it to the original cleaner that had a cord and you would of course plug into the power unit, it cleans very similar. It has very similar power. So the floating battery gives it sustained power to clean the pool really effectively for about 2 hours. And I would say again, for a small to medium pool, this is sufficient. If you have a larger pool, you may have to do 2 cleaning cycles. But typically, if your pool is more than 8 feet deep, it's probably too large for this cleaner anyway. But I think it's not a novelty having the floating battery and then the cord connecting it to the cleaner, because it essentially turns it into a cordless robotic pool cleaner. So you're going to have a floating surface cleaner working in the pool. You don't have to worry about it running over the cord or having that kind of issue. And the cleaner has no problem cleaning the walls to the water line. And I think it has a pretty intuitive programming inside the cleaner to where it's going to get full coverage of the pool. And I've used this in another pool, alternate test pool, and it performed excellent in that pool also. So all in all, I think this cleaner does a superb job of cleaning your pool, and it has the added benefit of not having a cord, and it gets the job done very effectively, as you can see from this video. Okay, let me show you the debris that I picked up here in this pool. So you can see that the Aiper Seagull 3000 did a great job in cleaning this pool. Leslie's Pool Supplies has been do-it-yourselfers and pool trade professionals' trusted partner since 1963, providing quality products and services to make pool care easy and solutions and expertise to do it right.